just try to reach it way over there. Yeah. That way. Come this way. Justin! This way? Justin! Go that way. Go that way, yeah. Keep going, right there. Yep. All around that tree, yeah. That's the way. Good stuff. All right, we just checked the perimeter of this cabin here. It's an old cabin that we, and it's a big hill where we take kids sliding. And that's how it looks. So we checked out the perimeter. There's a lot of smoke in this area, so I want to pinpoint where these spot fires are. But we call this a sliding hill for the fact that we're right on top of the biggest hill here in Montreal Lake, and we're looking down onto the community. But you can barely see nothing. You can't see anything. What's happening now, you can hear the cat driving in here. They're going into the bush and they're making a fire guard or a fire line around the cabins, around the houses. That's what they're doing now, to stop the fire from going into the community. That's what they're doing today. And all the firefighters in the community are going around stopping the fires that are close to the houses, so we can stop, so we can won't allow the houses to burn down. So that's priority number one today. I think this is day 6 of the Montreal Lake fire. And we've been busy every day, lack of sleep, but still doing it for the betterment of our community. And the people who are in towns like Prince Albert, Saskatoon, and Regina, that's where most of our people are. There's about 900 who got evacuated here, including L'Orange, including Pine House, most of all the northern communities, Timber Bay, Weyakwan, they're all evacuated out of here also. So the ones that are remaining are the ones that are fighting the fire and the ones that are driving the heavy equipment. So this is what you see, the bird's eye view of the whole community, but not much of a community yet until the smoke clears and the fire's out. Step on it. There you go.
Our Indian funnel.
Yeah, our Indian funnel. So he made a funnel to put some oil in the quad. Funny why they say natives never get stuck, eh?
We're never stuck.
Never stuck, eh?
Yeah.
It just takes as long as they get to where you're going.
Yeah.
All right. Yep, put in there.
How much should I put in there?
Probably half of it. More, yeah. That's good. All right, now we can hit the road again and start looking for fires. Have a good day today. There I am checking out some fire spots near these old cut lines, and went to our regular deer stands we have, and look what I found. Real nice deer antlers. Nice shed. Beautiful. That one's going to be a monster this year. God willing, we can take that one out. Beautiful, beautiful antlers. Pretty hard to find shed antlers like this in Saskatchewan because the mice and that, they eat them up real quick. Doesn't take long, but sure glad to find this one. Wonderful. And I'll show you the shooting shack. It's right there. Oh, it's about a good 80, 90 yards. That's where I shot a monster buck here 2 years ago. Tried to hunt it this year, but too many wolves. The wolves chased out all our deer in this area, so that was no good. So we had to do some wolf hunting. Good news is we got 4 wolves out of here with the help of Jared Nelson, one of our counselors here in Montreal Lake. Awesome trapper, great trapper, and yeah, he helped me out take out 4 wolves this year. So right on, good for him, and good for me, and good for the deer. So, yeah, so we're gonna head back and do a bit more checking out the area where there might be a fire or a spot fire of some sort. All right. Nice rubs here too, beautiful. Good to see. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Everybody's leaving the north. Big forest fires over there. And then they're going to go to PA. Pretty crazy this year, 2015. We just came to check the perimeter of the reserve. Now we're going to head back. Yeah, let's get it out of there. We have to stop that fire because it's going to get to this trailer, it's going to get to that house, it's going to get to this vehicle. So we have no choice but to try stop it. We don't have shovels, we don't have anything to use but our hands and our feet. But you got to do it. You have to. You have no excuse. So this is good stuff. And that's what we're doing. We're quartering around looking for places. Even though it's raining, it's still a threat. Good job, you guys. All right, on the line, yeah. We'll need to shovel, get it out. Yeah, like that. It's gonna start again. Yeah. Oh, she had shovels, eh?
Oh, yeah.
Would have been awesome. Maybe you gotta find some.
Oh, that fire truck's there now.
Fire truck here? Right on. Good job. Yeah, that's the way. Firefighting 101. Hey? That's the way, yeah. Stab it in there and push it out. There you go, like that, yeah. Good job, yeah. That's the only way to do it. So we're firefighting native style, using sticks without shovels. But what can we do? We have no choice. We have no equipment. But yeah, but we got hearts, determination, and never give up attitude. We may have taken a few houses on it, but they didn't take our spirit out, right? Right on. Montreal Lake for you. Working together, community working together, volunteers working hard. It's just amazing how Montreal Lake is. And it does that all the time. Pretty cool. I like that. I like being an ML member, that's for sure. Here we go. All right. That's the way. Good job. You just prevented a fire going to that house. That's what you just did. Good. Excellent. Good work. Good work. There you go, Michael. You may want to go that way, but that one's not as important as that one over there beside Justice there. Yeah. There you go. Excellent. Good job. Right on, eh, Tim?
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Woohoo! Yeah. Good job.
Now that's some flames over there.
Yeah. Good eye, Tim. I didn't see that one.
I've seen it over here.
You seen it over there, eh?
I've seen it over there, but I didn't know this was.
Yeah. This big opening you see here is not a road, it's a fire line. It's a fire guard to prevent the fire from crossing into that neck of the woods, but it crossed. So no matter how prepared you are, you're at the mercy of God. And that's what happened to us. And yeah, so we helped out right there. It's still raining, but it's still a hazard. It needs to pour, and hopefully it pours. I'm happy though, I'm satisfied. I'm really happy there's rain. Even just a wet ground, I'm happy. Right on! We don't have a fire truck. We don't have hoses. But this is what we have. A pail and rainwater, Abe. And look at this guy, he's getting some mix. That's firefighting 101. Woo, right on. And look at the sun, just speaking out. Hopefully it rains more. There's hardly any clouds in the sky and it's raining. It's amazing. Right on, praise the Lord.
What, a shot? It works.
Yeah. This is awesome. There's only what 30 yards, 40 yards from 30 yards from the fire. This house, the trailer and quads. I'll show you. This is where everything is. Van over there, 2 vans, and then the houses. With no equipment, we had to improvise, and with the blessing of God's rain. That's awesome. Now it's time to mop up. Mop up this mess. There's another improviser right there. Yeah, right on. Cool. Right here, bud. Right there, look. Yeah. Yeah. There you go.
Where else?
Right along there, see? Right here. That's where it's going to capture. Right there, yeah. Right on the edges there. Edges. Yeah, like that. There you go.
I'm on a mix.
Yeah. No, that's not alcohol. That's water. Just in case you're wondering. We're firefighting. Got some more water. Right on the edges there, Tim. That's where the fire's gonna, yeah, like that. Okay, yeah. There's another one over there. Good, excellent. That'll stop lots of it. Yeah. Good job, Tim. Excellent. Woohoo!
Picture should be full.
Yeah. This is what Don Cherry would say. We got to be firefighting the Canadian way. We don't need no water bombers. We don't need no water trucks. Play the Canadian game. Die-hard Canadians. That's who we are. We fight fires no matter what tactics we're gonna do it. Right, guys?
Yes.
See? Told you. Yee-hoo! You almost done? Yeah. All right. Record now. All right, we're getting the fire out over here.
Makes a big difference.
Yeah, that'll stop it from going to that trailer behind you and those quads. Yeah, we don't want that to go there, right? There's a lot of grass here. It stopped raining. That was my worst fear. It rained for a little while and then it stopped. We got to keep going, right?
Sure.
Let's go. Let's go, Don Cherry would say.
The house we're trying to save, and this trailer and truck.
We're good. Good? Yeah. We'll dump that last. You know.
Nothing stability now.
Yep. Good morning, everyone. It's now 1:33 in the morning, and we're just stopping some more fires that are in the bush there. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 firefighters, and that's Jeffrey Bird and Byron Kingfisher and Troy Nadahow and Shane Bird, and yeah, that's it. They're fighting fires right through the night, and hopefully they don't escalate, and we're gonna go near houses and shut them off too. Just letting you know what we're doing at this time, at this late hour. Pretty cool background, eh? I like it. I don't know what that light is behind us. Maybe it's a spotlight. All right. All right, there's another ground fire here. It's right into the roots of the tree, and the only time you can see them is at nights, and this one came out. Lots of fire here. Take a quick look-see. This is what's good about working the nights, firefighting. You get to see all the action, all the heat, all the bad spots, and this is where it is. There's the flame, right deep in there. Right in the roots. Right in the root of it all. So we're gonna have to dig that up and spray it liberally, like the whole tank, so to speak. Right on. Right on.
Right in there?
Yeah. Probably way over there, eh?
Yeah, so it goes. I go quite a ways.
Yeah.
That might go quite a ways there. Just over 2 days, it's fine in the road, it's there, there's 2 frogs now going on the shot. We'll hook up to this one here. Which one is hooked up? Oh, that's the one right there. Yeah. Right up there.
Where is it here, yeah?
Ready? Where is it? Right. The end piece there.
Right here?
He has it.
Okay.
Straighten out the fire section.
There you go. Yeah, right in there.
That side.
Oh yeah. Hey Shane, how long have you been working? How many days?
3 days.
3 days?
3 days, yeah.
10 hours?
10 hours. All day until we're shut down today.
Yeah.
No power.
Yeah.
Started raining.
Yeah. And no sleep? You look like it. Hey, tell him about your incident last night.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
I was pulling hose and helping out Jeffrey, and we were kind of late. This tree was burning for a while behind your house, and I was walking. I got some hose out and got that nozzle, started heading towards that tree, and then half of it came off and almost hit me.
That's right.
Almost killed me.
Yeah.
Boom! Freaked me right out.
Yeah.
The way it sounded, everything. It was gonna kill somebody.
Yeah. It was freaky, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Somebody's looking after you, right?
Yep.
Right on. That's great. So that's a big, this is a big one, eh?
Big pothole.
Yeah.
Hot day, all that water.
Yeah. You can just tell, steaming up.
Yeah.